Hello students and welcome back to Maths class for Standard 8. Today we will be doing the subtopic Sum of Measures of Exterior Angles of a Polygon from the lesson Understanding Quadrilaterals. Before we begin, let us try and understand what is meant by an exterior angle. An exterior angle is an angle which forms a linear pair with one of the interior angles. They are formed on the outside of the polygon. The sum of our interior angle and the exterior angle is always 180 degrees since they lie on the same straight line. Now in this figure we have angles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 which are exterior angles of the polygon. Now if we look at angle 1 which is an exterior angle and we take the angle which is inside the polygon, this interior angle and the exterior angle 1 are forming supplementary angles. The total is 180 degrees. Now let us see what is meant by the exterior angle property. The exterior angle property states that the sum of the measures of all the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degrees. This means that all the exterior angles lying outside the polygon, when we add the values of these exterior angles, the total sum is going to be 360 degrees. We will be discussing the following examples in this exterior angle property. We will find measure of an exterior angle when measures of all other exterior angles is given. We will find the number of sides of a polygon when measure of each exterior angle is given. And we will find the measure of each exterior angle when the number of sides are known. Let's take the first case. To find measure of an exterior angle when measure of all other exterior angles is given. So let's look at this figure. We have the exterior angles 70 degrees, 60 degrees, 65 degrees, 40 degrees and angle X. So we see here that there are angles whose measure is already given and we have to find the measure of only one more exterior angle. So let's see what we need to do. We know that the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degrees. That means all of these angles, exterior angles, when we add them up, the total is coming to 360 degrees. So let's write what we know. So 70 degrees plus 60 degrees plus 65 degrees plus 40 degrees plus angle X is equal to 360 degrees. Now when we add all the values, we are going to get 235 degrees plus the unknown angle which equals to 360 degrees. So when we take X, when we keep X on one side and we subtract the values, we get the value of X which is 125 degrees. So this is when we have to find the measure of one exterior angle when all the other measures of the exterior angles are given. Just remember that the sum of all exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degrees and you're good to go. Now let's take the second case where we have to find the number of sides of a polygon when measure of each exterior angle is given. Let's take the example. When they find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each exterior angle has a measure of 45 degrees. So we know that every exterior angle of this polygon has a measure of 45 degrees. We also know that the measure of the sum of exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degrees. So writing what we know and writing what is given, that is that each exterior angle is 45 degrees, we will proceed further to find the number of exterior angles. It's very simple. to find the number of exterior angles, we are going to take the measure of sum of all exterior angles, which is 360 degrees, and divide it by the measure of each exterior angle, which is 45 degrees. So when we do this division, we get the answer 8. So if there are 8 exterior angles, that means that the polygon has 8 sides. Surely you know what the polygon of 8 sides is known. Let me know what a polygon of 8 sides is known in the comments below. Let's take the next case now. To find measure of each exterior angle when the number of sides are known. Let's take the example here. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a polygon of 5 sides. So now what we know from this given statement are two things. We know the total number of sides, that the polygon has 5 sides, and we also know that the sum of measures of all the exterior angles is 360 degrees in a polygon. So taking what we know and what is given, let us proceed further. We know sum of measures of all exterior angles is 360 degrees. What is given is the number of sides, which is 5. So to find the measure of each exterior angle, we will take the sum of measures of all the exterior angles of a polygon and divide it by the number of sides. This will give us the measure of each exterior angle. Here are a few examples for you. You may try this on your notebook. Find the value of x in the given figures. The next video will be on the properties of parallelograms. Till then, do like, subscribe and share, and I will see you soon with the next video. Thank you.